Howdy, Lone Star Rider here. I am going to do another minor repair on my bike. The tail end piece of plastic broke when somebody tapped the back of my bike, and got the part in today, so I'm going to put it on. Just found out, I don't know if you can see this here, there we go. Just found out my bike is past due for inspection. Uh-oh. I think you're just seeing the back of my head. It's a little better. Old part. The new improved part. Part is broke. Don't know what to do about that one. Alright, I have one little problem that I'm going to have to figure out how to fix. But here she's all back screwed on. I'm going to put my license plate back on. This little part here is broke off. And I'm probably just going to JB weld it back on and then screw it on. And that will probably take care of this little slack right here. Anyway, now that I got a new plastic bumper back on, I'm all happy. Hey guys, if you like these types of videos, please comment and tell me so down there, me working on my bike. And also, if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please do so. And if you like this video, like it. Catch you on the road. These are difficult camera angles.